How to fix page fault in non-paged area blue error in Windows. 1. Run a disk/hardware check, system check, and memory check via MEM-Test86 Plus or Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Commands include DISM /online/cleanup image/restore help sfc/scan ochkdskdskc/f/rmsdt.exe. ID device diagnostic 2. Undo recent changes. 3. Temporary. Any third-party antivirus applications. 4. Disable automatic paging file size management. 5. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, locate the device in question, then roll back driver, if you can. 6. Reset your PC. 7. Shut down fast startup.